everyone, Jordan here from Black Clover Fitness. With summertime, one of the biggest weaknesses a lot of people have are desserts, okay? Especially during summertime, there's a lot more get-togethers and someone always seems to bring desserts, okay? Now with that, let that be you. There are a bunch of great, healthy, low-calorie, delicious desserts that you can actually bring to get-togethers. And the great thing is about those, people will not know the difference with the taste. So go ahead and check out the blog. I do kind of talk about a little bit of different recipes and different ways you can actually make these desserts, actually make them taste great. And like I said, you disguise them that way. They look like they're heavier type desserts, but they taste fantastic and they're very low calorie. So go ahead and check those out. If you have any questions, let us know.